this particular chart in here, let's go ahead and add a title. So when you come in here, you will see these options. If you don't like the colors or anything, you can go to the global and you can change the palette and style. So now it has selected a blue palette and a red palette, and if I want, I can go ahead and change it to a different one. For example, I can select a green one and apply to see how it works, and if I like the combination, or select a purple one to see how it goes. I think the red one was the this one has to be a blue one, this has to be a red one, and the contrast works well. So I'll leave it there, and in general, I'll go to the general, I'll see the title. So now there is no title for this chart, so let's give it a title, and we will make this a little bit dynamic because we have linked this to the table. So I will say sales revenue and margin for product line for, it's becoming very lengthy, so for, and I'll also make this as revenue and margin for, plus what is it that I want to give in here is the lines, for lines. So let's see if this is correct. The formula is correct. I'll make this visible. And title, you can select what it has to be. If you want it to be a 10, you want it to be bold, what you want it to be, you want it to be in black. I want the background to be border size, it's okay if it is thin. Border color, I want it to be like that. Background color, I want it to be this color, and let's say apply. Okay, 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 and let's do one more thing. I want the text to be center. Apply. There you go. Click on OK. See, there's no space in here, so we'll have to go ahead once again and change it. For, leave a space here, and you can apply and see. For accessories, now this is dynamic. It will now display for the particular line you select. Okay, if I select dresses, it will select dresses. If I select sweaters, it's show sweaters. So let me go ahead and add a title for this chart also. Title will make it visible. We want it to be visible. So I will say it is quantity sold by category for which product line will once again come from lines. So the formula is correct. I will make the same updates that I did. For that, I'll make it a thin one. Border be a black one, that's when it's visible. I want this to be a background color to be olive. You have to make sure it gets selected. Apply, just to make sure everything looks right. Anyway, you can always go back and change. So this is how you add dynamic title for your dynamic chart.